Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted files on Microsoft OneDrive Mobile. First, unlock your phone and open the OneDrive app. Once the app launches, you'll be taken to your OneDrive home screen where all your stored files and folders are available. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the deleted file you want to recover. Now, tap the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the account menu where you can access additional OneDrive options and tools. From here, you'll be able to find the section that stores recently deleted files. After opening the account menu, look for the Recycle Bin option and tap on it. The Recycle Bin contains files that were recently deleted from your OneDrive account. Here, you can review deleted items before deciding whether to restore them. Once you find the file you want back, tap the three dots beside that file. This will open a menu with additional actions related to the selected item. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file before proceeding. Now, tap the Restore option from the menu. OneDrive will immediately move the file back to its original location in your storage. After that, you can access and use the file just like before it was deleted. And that's how you can quickly recover deleted files on Microsoft OneDrive Mobile. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tech tutorials.